What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Day here, back again with another video. And as you can tell by the title, we have passed the Topstep 50k combine series that I was doing. And as you know, I was doing like daily uploads throughout that whole series, but I completely burnt myself out, bro. So I'm not gonna lie, like I don't think I'm gonna be doing any type of like daily videos like for the rest of this channel, but I will still be consistent for y'all, probably like at least like every other day, or at least like maybe every 2 days. I definitely got y'all. I'll definitely still be consistent with bringing y'all videos when it comes to challenges, funded accounts, Renko, all that stuff. Whatever content I got for y'all, it just definitely will not be daily, because daily literally burned me out, bro. I can't even lie. Basically throughout that whole period, like there was a lot going on Renko wise, right? So basically I have gotten into Ninjatrader Renko, right? So Ninjatrader is basically another platform. It's like TraderVate, it's like TraderView, it's just like another platform, right? But basically with Ninjatrader, bro, they have different types of Renkos that's like way more customizable than the regular Renko that I'm used to trading, right? So when you like go look at Ninjatrader Renko compared to TraderView and TraderVate Renko, you could see that clearly off rip that they're two way completely different things, right? And the reason for that is because Ninjatrader has a community like tab or community section. Think of it just like a community, right? And people can upload their certain kind of like scripts and coding and stuff like that. It's really like advanced, and a lot of people have different types of Renko. So there's like Ninja Renko, there's Uni Renko, there's O Renko, there's so many different types of Renko, right? And for me at first I'm just like, okay, it's just Renko, you know what I'm saying? How different can it be? But when I actually went to go use it and actually like test some things, bro, it's completely different, and I feel like way more advanced than the basic Renko that we're like used to seeing. I have to get into it. I have to. I feel like if I'm gonna kind of build my channel like kind of around like Renko as well, I definitely need to be using like more than just the standardized Renko, you know what I'm saying? So throughout that whole period, ever since I saw that, bro, I was like, I don't even want to trade like TradingView Renko, right? And that was going to be a problem, because during the series I told myself that I wanted to pass the challenge using Renko strict. So around like, I should say like part 9, I believe, like the very last like Topstep series episode, I only needed one more winning day to get funded, right? And at that point I think like I had took a loss. I took 1 win and 1 loss, right? So we basically needed like 1.5 more winning days in order to get funded, right? But that was when I was discovering like Ninjatrader Renko. I was seeing like the potential of it, and I was like, bro, like I don't even want to touch TradingView Renko right now. I'm not gonna lie, like my focus was strictly on Ninjatrader Renko. I just made the decision because for this series I told myself that I was going to strictly pass it with Renko, right? But that was one reason why I didn't drop the strategy, because I wasn't really too, you know what I'm saying, comfortable. When I drop strategies, when I drop teachings, whatever, like however y'all want to perceive it, I wanted to be A+ quality. Like I needed to be the best type of like thing I can like present to y'all, you know what I'm saying? And I could definitely like go that route, just dropping 100,000 bunch of strategies, because I have them. I have a bunch of different strategies in my arsenal, but I'm not like that. I want to give y'all stuff that actually works, give y'all stuff that, you know, y'all can actually utilize yourself, so y'all can like pass challenges, make money. I told myself that even though yes, we have built a very good buffer all the way up to like needing 1 more winning day with Renko, right? So at that moment, I took a loss, I took a win, I was down, then I brought it back up. At that moment, I was like, my focus is completely on Ninjatrader. So let me just go ahead and just close out this series. On top of like already doing like the daily uploads, that was already burning me out and everything too. But I was just like, let me just go ahead and close the series. So with today's trade, I decided to trade candlesticks, like regular, like just basic price action, how I always usually normally trade, right? I decided to trade that today, and I ended up passing my challenge with that. So basically I did Renko all the way up until like the last point, and then I started to do like candlestick strategies, right? I plan to do another challenge series with just strictly Ninjatrader Renko, because the optimization, bro, the customization, if you use Ninjatrader Renko and you use TradingView Renko, you should already know that Ninjatrader Renko is on a whole different level. I'm not gonna lie, like it's really that drastically different. I want to focus on that, and I want to bring out the best of my Renko like abilities, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm still completely new to Renko, like probably like what, 6 months, 6-7 months. So I don't even qualify myself to give out Renko strategies, you know what I'm saying? I want to have data. I want to be able to, you know, prove to myself this could be consistent over time, and that's why y'all don't really see as much like strategy videos on my channel. Say though, there has been plenty of people who DM me on Instagram, even on my comment section on YouTube, who even like just watch my videos and can already kind of know what my strategy is. It's not really like complicated. So if you really want to like trade like that Renko strategy that I'm trading throughout this whole Topstep series, you can literally just go to my videos, listen to the way how I explain things. It's very simple, bro. I know I've been saying that I was going to drop a strategy video, but that's the reason why I always like hold back on it, because I need to make sure I bring out quality content. I need to make sure that I bring out strategy videos that work. I know the feeling of trying to find a strategy video, trying to look at different types of way of trading, and it doesn't work, you know what I'm saying? Or it just doesn't fit me. Maybe it works, but it doesn't fit me. That's the whole like kind of update on why I finished off the series with candlesticks instead of like the Renko on TradingView, because my mind is like 100% focused on Ninjatrader Renko. I think it's gonna be a whole new like type of level when it comes to me showcasing my Renko like trading and Renko stuff. So I'll be able to bring out like the best type of things, bro. Like that's my focus. If I'm gonna be having a community, having people who like looking forward to my videos and stuff like that, I'm gonna bring out the best quality videos. Like that's all I can really do, honestly. Like that's really like my main focus, bro. Try to bring out like the best quality like strategy videos, anything that I find out, like anything that's knowledgeable, that's consistent, I can back test it, or I can like really like trade it for test. Especially when it comes to like showcasing it to y'all, I can be comfortable dropping a strategy video because I know this works. I know I've tested it. I know I've traded it. You know what I'm saying? I'm not just gonna drop strategy videos on things that I haven't actually traded yet. That's fake. You know what I'm saying? So for the most part, I'm just gonna experiment on Ninjatrader Renko. I'm not really gonna like focus on TradingView Renko or TraderVate Renko because, like I'm telling y'all, bro, like it's like the stuff that I see up on Ninjatrader is so customizable, so optimizable, I should say, is that it can really take your Renko trading to the whole nother level, bro. So that's why I really want to perfect my craft in that. And yeah, and then once I get everything good with that, that's when I'm gonna start another like challenge series where I'm gonna like do the same thing that I kind of did. But as y'all can already see in the video, I'm showcasing my trade that helped me pass my 50k Topstep combat series. Basically all I did was like I saw a break of structure to the upside, and then I waited for a retracement, and then I got in the trade, right? So another thing that I'm also gonna like be focusing on is I'm gonna showcase a video on how I maximize my gains with 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Basically, when I already have like my analysis and everything, and I print my 1-to-1 with the position tool, I just scale down on a lower time frame and I try to get like a way better entry. So I'm not gonna get in my original 1-to-1, but I'm gonna start seeing candles form like accordingly, or I'm gonna start seeing more like, I don't know, indication that price is like creating that bullish pressure. Once I see stuff like that, I'm entering trades and I'm putting my stop loss way tighter than my original stop loss for a 1-to-1, because once you have confirmation that price is gonna go, 9 times out of 10 price goes, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna come up with a video on how I maximize my gains for the people who like higher risk to rewards, or just simply for the fact of people who just want to trust their analysis more. I feel like it's gonna be a good video, and you know, overall catch my 1-to-1, but it'll be like a 5-to-1 or 8-to-1, or sometimes it'd be like 10-to-1, 14-to-1s. I'm telling you, like the entries really be like sniper, bro. The Ninjatrader Renko, I'm just gonna shift my complete focus to that, and I'm just really gonna like grind to it, bro. Like I'm just really gonna get to it, trying to spend like countless hours. When it comes to me developing and finding new things, that's when I go hard on stuff, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's when I want to really optimize my trading, make myself better. I can present y'all better, like, you know, information, content, stuff like that. And I can give y'all my thought process behind everything, you know what I'm saying? Because Renko is a very powerful tool. There's a lot of people who request Renko, like on my channel, like request video. I think it's actually one of the most requested things on my channel. Like I'm not gonna lie, I think my channel is really like becoming like based off of like Renko stuff. It's kind of like a little mixture of like prop firms, Renko stuff, but Renko has been one of the things that everybody be talking about when it comes to people I'm in contact with, people who like comment on my videos, stuff like that. And that's why I really strive to make it work and bring the best out of Renko. And I feel like I have a gut feeling that like Ninjatrader is going to bring out like the best out of Renko. Not even just like a whole different like type of feel, like just a whole different type of ball game from like the TradingView Renko or the TraderVate Renko, right? So I'm just really excited to start that. Honestly, that's going to be like the beginning of my journey next week. With automation and Renko, that's going to allow me to trade on the faster trading time. So as you can see throughout like my whole Topstep series video, you can see that Renko be moving fast, right? And that's on a brick size where it's like moving decently. Now imagine going to a smaller brick size and you're just like seeing like crazy Renko moves, right? Not crazy to the point where it's like you can't like get in your trade, but you can't get in exactly where you want to get in because that's how fast price be moving. So with automation, that's going to allow me to catch the moves that I truly want to catch with those exact measurements. Like it may not be exact because slippage is a thing, spreads is a thing. It's not like Forex though. It's definitely not like Forex. Futures is a whole different ball game when it comes to like spread and slippage and stuff like that. But it will get you in exactly where you want to get in and like have your parameters set. Like y'all know about like automation. Y'all know how AIs work. like bots, algos, EAs, all that stuff. That's kind of the direction that I'm like really headed in towards when it comes to Renko. So that would be another exciting thing too. So also with this recording that y'all seen on the screen, so basically I was recording the whole session. So what had happened was, so basically I had a bullish bias, right? So I got in the trade, right, and it was going my direction, set my stop loss into profit, and then boom, it stopped me out, right? So I got some profits right there. Then I started seeing like a little bit of moves to the downside, right? Even though my move was overall bullish, I was like, okay, there's a possibility that I can catch a short-term like bearish move, right? So I entered into that trade for a short-term like type of sell. That one lost like completely, didn't have like no type of profit. So basically I'm like one win, one L, right? It's not like even. I think I was like negative because I risked more on the second trade, right? Still low risk. Like all these trades was conservative risk, because mind you, my original bias was that original 1-to-1. And since I scaled into my original 1-to-1, I was able to risk lower, you know what I'm saying? Mostly I'd like to risk like, you know, aggressive, like higher type like risk. But when it comes to me like scaling in, like I said, I'm gonna like make a video next week on how I scale in and stuff like that. When it comes to me scaling in, I'm able to risk less for more gains, right? So that's technically my higher RR, but still within my 1-to-1. So anyway, I got in my final and third trade because this third trade definitely had way more confirmation than the first one for my intended bullish bias, right? And I started seeing very, very good structure. So once I started seeing good structure along with the price action, and I already have like my direction on where I want to go, it was kind of like a no-brainer to like enter in off of that one, you know what I'm saying? So basically I entered the trade. I had my stop loss like at this like zone. I explained it on my Instagram as well. I had my stop loss at this important zone. Like once like price come to that zone, or if it came to that zone, that's when sellers would be completely back in the market. So I wasn't really like, you know what I'm saying, tripping because my stop loss was really good. Then on top of that, I already had like a sniper like entry where I'm risking, I think I was just like 200-300 for like 900, or yeah, basically 1,000, right? But I didn't need 1,000. I only needed like 900 or something like that. So I was risking for like what, maybe like a like 2-3-to-1, something like that. I was risking like more than like my 1-to-1 within my 1-to-1. But like I said, I'm still going to be consistent. I'm going to do everything that I can to like bring out the most like valuable content possible, you know what I'm saying? But I definitely got y'all with a giveaway though, like for sure, like very, very soon. So definitely stay tuned for that. And yeah, if you like this video, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't, you know, do what you got to do. Like, you're all good with me. With all that being said, bro, y'all be blessed, y'all be safe out there, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Appreciate y'all.